Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to reset the service counter of Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a model 2014 and you can find all warnings from this button here, and you can see how they are changed. Okay, here is the service counter. To do this you have to keep this button here for 5 seconds and then remove your finger and press again for a second. Now to do this, first we have to switch on the ignition of the car. Okay, ignition is on, so now we can do that.